Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, and this is a collage of size 18 by 24 from recent works, and there are two paintings 18 by 24 in this exhibition, and the rest will be 16 by 20s. Give you a brief shimmer, and hope you can see that glistening. This is magnificent. It has a sort of a simple tip to it, but it's got great colors and great textures all around. Then we have my upcoming Halloween colors that I absolutely love. Hopefully I have a better shot at this. I tried to make this video yesterday and I didn't get the best shimmer. But that's intense and it's really cool. This is coming up for video. Most all of my paintings have videos that go with them. If you can't find what you're looking for, ask me. If you're interested in purchasing an artwork, please, by all means ask me. Tell me the time that you saw it and the title of the video you saw it in. These are my two books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. The first volume is the first 100 videos I made for YouTube and all the tools and the processes. If you need help with colors, you can just ask me. If you buy it on Amazon, you have access to a $9.99 ebook that'll give you all the links to all the videos. These are still very relevant, and a lot of people are telling me, giving me good feedback and telling me that they really enjoyed them. Let me get them out of here and check and see. What I need. I think that's upside down. Alright, that's right side up. That's right side up now. Okay, let's make sure we're in frame. Doing pretty good. Alright, this particular painting is Sherwin-Williams house paint, which is fine by me, and this one is a combination of Sherwin-Williams house paint and probably Colourarte. I am a Colourarte affiliate. There will be a Colourarte coupon code and link underneath the video for you to go shopping if you'd like for 20% off. Get some paintings out of the way. You will find the prices for the videos, if I'm adept at all, underneath the video. You'll find the prices for the paintings. Yeah, I'm not adept today, but I'm giving it my best shot anyway. This is a video upcoming, and I still don't understand why I stopped when I stopped. There could be another stage, but I love the center so much. It's just not worth going on with, I don't think. Let me know what you think. These are fun. These are some of the first paintings that I spun out and used a combination of Mayan Gold and Colourarte, excuse me, Mayan Gold and Sherwin-Williams paint colors. I love this. This is one of my new favorite geometrics of all time. And the glassiness of the Josonia gloss varnish in my paint mixes makes the surface really beautiful. Totally, and I hope you can see it. I really do. This was a very cool painting. It wasn't going well, and I think it turned out stellar. I love all the patterns, and the colors that I didn't like, I do like now. This I am in love with still, and will probably remain so. Let me get some paintings out of the way. It has great shimmer, but mostly it has great texture. And just the right amount of shimmer in just the right places. Did I show you those? No, I did not. Let me move some stuff over here. And I'll bring these down. Now this painting you'll see in the landscapes. I'm going to do a separate video for landscapes. Let me make sure that we're all in frame. This is a collage made with skins from Spin-Off. and then gold added, and I love the effect. And I will be, you can see around the edges of my spin area, but the colors, the few colors that there are, and the gold is just dynamic. Love this. If it never sells, it'd be okay with me. This is a weird piece. I'm not even sure that should be in there. I think that this is very likely to get some trees added to it unless somebody falls in love with it, and they'd have to see it the correct way up. That was a wicked experiment. You can tell I lived in Maine for a while. Being a New Yorker, I picked up wicked from Maine. Okay, well, not much shimmer in this. Here's another collage. That's kind of fun. Made with skins. More spinning. Early pieces of house paint and Colourarte colors together spun out, and I love how this turned out. I think it's a dynamic piece of artwork. I just love it. Not a ton of shimmer. Not on this one either, but I like the contrast between the matte and the shiny very much. Alright, we're getting down to the end of the stack. Down to less than 10 pieces. This was from the Colourarte Autumn Splendor educational event. And I hope you can see this. This is so glassy and so beautiful in the center. And the cells are magnificent. It dried beautifully. Just beautifully. This is another painting from my series of things that I was, because it's right before Halloween, I enjoy using purple and orange together. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. Alright, so hopefully you can see all that. There is some shimmer, but there's quite a bit of house paint. I believe that this is house paint, and so is that. And this may also be, unless it has shimmer. No, I think it's house paint, and so is that. Remember to make a note of the time if you find a painting that you fall in love with that you'd like to own. And use my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I have to check that I've got them the right way up. This, I just love this. This started, it's a two-stage video, and the beginning stage was with a house paint, and the second stage was Colourarte shimmering beautiful Prizm Pours and primary elements over. Don't forget there's a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. That'll take you, the link will take you directly to Colourarte. This is fun. I think this could go more than one way. I really do. This is a combination, another combination of house paint behind sans cat hairs. And hopefully I'm shimmering something at you. I love this. This is my style. This reminds me of when I used to do watercolors. I think this is tremendous. If I had wall space left on my wall, I'd find a space for this. And I don't. So I'm getting right, these are my last 3 pieces. This is an upcoming video. I have 28 lists of 100 videos, and the 28th list has a few extra right now because I need to start at 29th. I've got a little bit of dust and a few cat hairs. And because I don't use water in my paint generally, everything comes off with a damp cloth. And they can all be varnished if the desire is there. This is a video that's playing right now. There are 3 stages: the background stage, half of the flowers, and then the foreground stage. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate that. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Your donations through PayPal, the icon is in the bottom right hand corner of the YouTube channel banner, keep me bringing tutorials to YouTube. And I really appreciate your help buying art supplies. Members help too. Members have access to a library of over 60 videos for members only. The cost is $9.99 a month, and you're very appreciated. On my link tree, you're going to find my Amazon link where you can buy the 2 books. And you're going to find also pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist, Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, Society 6, and The Gallerist. Underneath the video, you're going to find spring clothing, and if you can't find the artwork that you're seeking out, if it's not on one of those places, you can ask me, and chances are, within an hour or two, or 24 hours or so, one way or the other, depends on how busy I am, I can add what you're after. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me, obviously. I hope you come again. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Expect a lot of these exhibition videos because I had 160 artworks that I got behind on. So, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I am looking forward very much to selling some artwork to some lucky collector. So, check under the video for the prices and make sure to give me the time you saw the artwork you're interested in, and we'll get it together at easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com, and I look forward to that. Season's greetings. Bye for now. Priscilla out.